a closet full of clothing, but nothing to wear. It is so frustrating. Not only is it frustrating, but it makes it super difficult to get dressed in the morning and out the door and feel and look fabulous. So in this video, I'm going to share with you why it is that you may have a closet full of clothing and nothing to wear, and how to fix it. If you're new to me, I am Tracy Gold. I'm a New York-based personal stylist and designer, and I've been styling and designing for women just like you for well over 20 years. Let's get stuck in. There may be multiple reasons why you have got a closet full of clothing and nothing to wear. It could be that your body shape has changed. Maybe you've lost weight, maybe you've gained weight, maybe you're going through perimenopause or menopause and suddenly everything feels different. Whatever it is, maybe there's a ton of clothing in that closet that you're not ready to let go of. So you have tons, but hardly anything fits you. Or it could be that your lifestyle has changed. Maybe you've gone from getting dressed and going to work and looking a certain way to working from home, and suddenly your wardrobe needs are just not the same anymore. Or it could be that you are building a wardrobe for a life that you wish you had and not the one you actually have. Now, there is no judgment in any of these. I am just here to help you. So in this episode of Frumpy to Fabulous, we're going to talk about how to have less in your closet and have plenty to wear and get excited about getting dressed in the morning. If you need help with figuring out what works for your body shape, and that's why you have a closet full of clothing, then you can check out this video here that is on body shape. If it is about personal style, maybe your personal style has really changed, then you can also check out part 1 of the series, and that will help you. In this video, we're going to talk about the lifestyle stuff. So your wardrobe really needs to support the life, the body shape, and the woman that you are today. And that is going to change over your lifetime. I mean, come on, like it was different what we wore in our 20s to what we're wearing today. In fact, it might have been even a year ago that you felt like you were wearing such different clothing. And so it really is about shifting our minds and saying, well, instead of me trying to squeeze into the wardrobe that I have, the wardrobe actually should be supporting me. So let's talk about how we can fix that. Now let's do a quick and easy exercise just to kind of get a feel of what your lifestyle really is today. Make a list of all the things that you do on a daily basis. So that could look like work, running errands, taking care of kids. Maybe it is that you're dating seriously right now, and that's a big part of your process. Whatever it is, what are you doing on a very frequent basis? Now, what are the things that are more occasional? So this would be like maybe trips once or twice a year. Maybe you travel quite a bit for work, and so maybe you want to put that in, but it's not as frequent as kind of your everyday activities. Whatever your things are, it could be special occasions, it could be weddings, it could be bar mitzvahs, it could be any of those things. Just write them down. Now, this may seem like a really strange thing to do with regards to your closet, right? But actually, this is so important, because what this does is it helps you assess of what is the life that you actually have now, and then you're going to take that list and you're going to get stuck into your closet. Yes, you are going to get stuck into your closet. I want you to go into your closet and find outfits that are going to suit and work for every aspect of your life. Okay, so imagine this is your closet. Now, I know that this is my rack in my studio, so it's not exactly your closet, and it's pretty organized, probably a little more even than my regular closet. However, I want you to go through, we're doing a visual, I want you to go through your closet, and I want you to pick out some outfits that are going to work for every aspect of your life. And then I want you to see, is it possible that some of the outfits can work with both things, maybe one or two things at the same time? So as an example, let me just take out, okay, this is one of my favorite dresses. You've probably seen me wear it like a ton on my videos if you've been following me for a while. This is a wrap dress. It is one of my personal dresses, and one of the reasons why I love a wrap dress so much is because it is so flexible. I have worn this to work. I have worn this on set. I have worn it to a picnic in the park after work. I have been able to dress it up and dress it down for so many different occasions. And so I get a lot of wear out of that, okay? Now, you may have some other things. Can you dress up and dress down? In fact, let me just show you. This dress here, I've worn this on QVC, and I have hula hooped in the park here in New York City in the same dress. So, are there items in your closet that can do double duty for you? Now, what if you find when you get into your closet that maybe you are more of a casual dresser, you tend to wear the same things time and time and time again, but actually what you have a lot of in your closet are a bunch of shimmer party dresses that you never wear. Or maybe you are naturally a casual dresser, you're more of a jeans and t-shirt kind of girl, but your lifestyle includes a lot of parties, a lot of going to events, a lot of work functions where you feel like you need to get dressed up, and you have nothing in your closet that really makes you feel fabulous for those things. What are the fixes for these problems? Well, if you are more of a casual dresser on your everyday life, but you have some glam pieces in your closet, and your personal style actually is pretty shimmer, then why not find a way to bring some of that glam into your everyday life? So, as an example, you could take this shimmer top and wear it with a pair of jeans and a fun pair of metallic shoes. That way you get the party feeling, but with a pair of jeans that's more suitable to your lifestyle. Now, what about if you are the person who is the casual dresser and needs outfits to go out in the evening or to events too? Could you possibly find a dress that will give you the best of both worlds? So as an example, in this dress, you can see that I can wear it either as a casual dress with just a tote bag and a casual pair of shoes, or I can zhuzh it up with this gold belt, bold earrings, do my makeup up, and it suddenly looks like a completely different dress. Okay, the same dress, but it gives you a completely different look. So before you buy a single item, ask yourself this question: where am I going to wear it to? Can I wear it to one event and another? Will it cater to different parts of my lifestyle? Will I be able to dress it up and dress it down? Does it make me feel fabulous? Only if you can answer those questions and easily does it warrant the space in your closet. You're going to want to build a closet that every time you throw something on, you just know you look good and you can get out of the door in 10 minutes. Because girlfriend, you deserve to have a closet that works for the beautiful woman you are today. If you want to continue on this journey with me and learn more, then I have 3 ways you can do that. You can subscribe to this channel and get plenty of free tips, and you can follow this series. I'll put the playlist in the description box below. You can also get my free downloadable Frumpy to Fabulous Starter Kit Guide. That is going to give you the 5 steps to going from frumpy to fabulous, working with your existing wardrobe, your budget, your body shape, your lifestyle. It's a goodie. You're going to want to get it. Number 3, if you love the idea of having a wardrobe that works for you, but you want this fast-tracked, you want it done much quicker, then you can reach out to me. I also offer one-on-one styling sessions, both here in New York City and online. So anywhere in the world you are. I'll put the details in the description box below. And if you missed some of the previous videos, here's the playlist.